5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good morning, everybody. This is Turns Up with the Yes Nation. What's up? I'm feeling better, y'all. Get on up. What's going on? And listen, if you're watching this after the viewing of the video, where after initial recording of the video, type in the comment section hashtag replay. I always get tongue twisted when I say that. Hashtag replay, okay, in the comment section. Thank you. Where's my Yes Nation at? Hey, listen. I've been struggling with some things, and I just wanted to come on and let you all know that everybody have life struggles, right? Everybody have issues. Everybody have something that they need to overcome, adapt and overcome. Everybody have something that, just don't feel quite right, But it's up to us to begin to, separate those things, right? Separate the things that are not so good for you for the things that are good for you. And as you know, I'm always talking about what I've done to increase my engagement, what I've done to increase my comments on my on my Facebook page, what I've done to increase my finances, what I've done to start a new business. And I had some people reach out to me and ask me for some money, right? And I don't have a problem with people asking me for money. But the question is, what are you going to do for you to increase your own finances, right? Before I started doing this online business, I used to say what I wanted to do. I want to help people start their own businesses. I want to be able to help people figure out what their dreams and their goals are. I want to do a whole lot of things. But what I began to do is I began to do it. I began to put my actions to my words. So you might say that you want a thing, but if you don't start moving in the way that you're supposed to go to get those things accomplished, then you can forget about it. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing's going to move for you. You have to be the first partaker of your vision and your dreams. You have to be the one to say, look, I saw Sister Terza do this, that, and the other, and she's making money, and I need to be finding out how I can make some money, especially if you're asking people for money. There's nothing wrong with ask. There's a word that says, asking and shall be given unto you. Okay, so there's no problem with asking. Hey Jeffrey, hey Corey. There's nothing wrong with asking. Okay, so when you ask a person for something, don't just ask them to be fed for the day. There's a saying, you can give a man a fish and he can eat, right? But then if you show a man how to fish, guess what? He can fish for a lifetime. So that's what I want to do. I want to help you fish for a lifetime. So if you know me, and listen, one thing my family knows is that I'm going to try something. I might fail at it, but guess what? I'm going to keep trying something and keep trying something until it works. Now I found something that works. I don't have to try anything else. I'm married to the process, just like I'm married to my husband. I'm married to the process to get things done. Right, Jeffrey? Right, Corey? You got to be married to the process. You want something out of life. I think it was Beyonce that said, don't be sitting up there talking about what you're going to do. You got to be the first partaker, right? So start partaking in your life. I just wanted to come on and tell you all that. If I'm doing something that is working, and it is, and you see that I'm posting, excuse me, that's a loud truck. I remember when I was little, my daddy's truck, you could hear it from Wilkerson all the way down Allegheny Street. If you see that I'm doing something that's working, guess what? Do it too. Y'all remember that? I can do it too, Punchinella. I can do it too, Punchinella in the shoe. You understand? Do that. Hey, Beverly, I know you remember Punchinella in the shoe, don't you? Yes, yes. So I'm coming on here to say yes, yes to your destiny. Yes, yes to your purpose. Yes, yes to you trying something different. Yes, you getting out of that rut. Yes, you turning your back on those that don't mean you no good. Yes, yes. Turn around. Go the opposite way. If you find out that the way that you're going is not helping you, is not taking you in the way that you need to go, then you need to forget that. Be doers of your own word. Okay? Be doers of your own word. There's a word that says, don't just be hearers of the word, but be doers of the word also. My husband prayed this morning. I don't know if he knew that, but I put that in my story this morning. Don't sit down on you. Don't give up on you. Do what's necessary to bless yourself. Okay? Sister Teresa loves you. I just came on to just let y'all know that if you haven't started moving and doing the things that's necessary to increase your life, to better your life, then guess what? You need to start doing that. Hey, I don't want to mess it up. I'm just going to spell it Nyana. What's up? How are you? How you doing, my sister? Wonderful to see y'all. Put hashtag replay in there after y'all see the video. But those of you that are on here, give me your comments. Give me some thumbs up. Show me some love. If I'm saying yes, yes to your destiny, and that's what you're doing right now, give me some love. Are you walking in the way that you're supposed to go? Huh? Are you living your dreams? Are you walking towards your dreams? Checking off your list. Check off your list. Have you done your vision board? Get your vision board done. What do you want in this life? You got to have dreams, right? But once you have dreams, guess what? Begin to write those things down. Start making those tiny steps. Remember, a turtle gets where it wants to go, and a slug gets where it wants to go. Come on. Yes, yes. That's right. That's right. I love you, girl. I be saying people's name up, but I don't want to mess it up. I want to say Nika. That might not be right. You know, I don't have my readers on, so you can't. You know, I can't hardly see those tiny words. You know, after 5300, you need your readers. But come on, y'all. Yes, yes to your destiny, right? Me and my husband on our way to eat some breakfast. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got my little pay this week. Yes, yes. My little $450 day when somebody ain't getting no money during the day. Come on now. I'm trying to show you the way. Follow me. Yes, yes. All right. I love you. God bless you. I just wanted to come on and show you some love and let you know that, look, if I could do it, you could do it too. Punch a nail in the shoe. Yes, yes. Get it done. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day. I bid you peace and love always. Take care. Bye.